Hello and welcome to our third installment in our series on Shona verbs, zviito. And today I'll be covering actions that involves the use of the mouth. Let's get to it. Start with talk or speak. The Shona word is taura or kutaura. As I have said in other videos before, I always give you the basic verb and the infinitive verb. Okay, let's go ahead. Eat is kudya or idya. Chew is tsenga or kutsenga. Swallow is medza or kumedza. When you spit, the word is swipa or kuswipa. Lick is nanja or kunanja. Taste is ravira or kuravira. Drink is inwa or kunwa. Laugh is seka or kuseka. Cry is chema or kuchema. Blow is furidza or kufuridza. Whistle, ridza muridzo or kuridza muridzo. Kiss is tsoda or kutsoda. Smile, nyemwerera, kunyemwerera. Yawn is zamura or kuzamura. Here's a summary of the verbs that we have just covered now. We say talk is kutaura, eat kudya, chew kutsenga, swallow is kumedza, spit kuswipa, lick kunanja, taste kuravira, drink kunwa, laugh kuseka, cry kuchema, blow kufuridza, whistle kuridza muridzo, kiss kutsoda, smile kunyemwerera, yawn kuzamura. That's it for now. Thank you for your support. Tinotenda nerutsigiro rwenyu. If you like what we are sharing here, please subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, goodbye.